Available now, space pasta. It's not that much different from regular pasta, except that it takes a lot more effort to create and sell than regular pasta. Luckily, the law of supply and demand means that space pasta is surprisingly cheaper than its Earthside counterpart. They just made too much. Someone must have. Just last year, pasta from space was a commodity, like gold and other rare earth metals. One thing about rare earth metals that I've never understood is why we still call them rare earth metals. A ton of the materials that people consider rare and valuable on Earth are all over the galaxy. They must be. Earth isn't the only planet, and if we can make and export pasta made in low gravity, we can definitely get to and terraform other planets, right? Even asteroids, those big rocks that are just flying all over the place, have the metals that people are killing each other to have more control over. The pasta is a lot like those metals that are plentiful in the galaxy that are only valuable because of their scarcity on Earth. Except in this case, someone saw an opening for a business that nobody asked for. I've had the space pasta before, at a high-end restaurant with some friends. It's disappointing that it was the last time I saw a few of them. When it was still an experience to have it instead of an everyday food, it must have tasted better, different than the Earth stuff. But now, if I try to remember the taste of both of them, they're exactly the same. Well, exactly the same other than the fact that the expensive pasta had expectations of it, which makes my memory of it better than eating it alone. When it first came out, a bunch of rich people thought it was a statement to show people that they had it. They promoted it. They had a financial stake in the company. A stake that, as we all know, burned, and took the less clever people with it. But the shortcomings of unremarkable people are not as interesting as the theories for why there was a sudden influx of pasta in the global markets. After reading a lot about the subject, I've concluded that there must be a conspiracy. Due to what happened in the last 2 years, we've all been taught how to spot and avoid inaccurate information and stories that try to influence us subconsciously. This just made the bad people get smarter and more secretive. But there's something there. I'm not sure what it is yet, but there must be, and I intend to follow every thread.